Hey there! Welcome to our journey into the world of genetics. Today, we're diving into Mendel's laws and how they shape the traits you see around you. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what Mendel discovered but also how these findings apply to your everyday life. Let's start with Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics. Back in the 19th century, he experimented with pea plants. Mendel realized that these plants had specific traits, like color and shape, which he used to establish his laws of inheritance. First up, we have the law of segregation. This law states that each organism carries two alleles for each trait. These alleles segregate during gamete formation, which means each parent contributes only one allele to their offspring. In simple terms, think of it like having two types of ice cream, chocolate and vanilla. You can only pick one when creating your sundae. Next, let's explore the law of independent assortment. This law tells us that alleles for different traits are distributed to gametes independently. Imagine being at a buffet. You can choose any combination of dishes without worrying about what others are selecting. This means that traits like flower color can sort independently from traits like seed shape. Now, let's break down some key terminology. You'll hear about dominant and recessive alleles. A dominant allele is like the star player on your sports team, stealing the spotlight, while a recessive allele waits in the background. Now comes the terms genotype and phenotype. The genotype is the genetic makeup, while the phenotype is the observable traits. Think of it like a recipe. The genotype is the list of ingredients, and the phenotype is the delicious dish that comes out. Let's visualize Mendel's experiments with a simple chart of predicted outcomes using a classic Punnett square. Here's how it works. Fill in the square based on the alleles of the parents, and you can predict the offspring's traits. This powerful tool allows you to understand inheritance patterns and see how traits can appear or skip generations. We've covered a lot. To recap, Mendel taught us about the fundamental laws of genetics, segregation and independent assortment. These principles help us explain the amazing diversity of traits in living organisms, including you. If you're curious to learn more about genetics, don't stop here. There's a whole world of exciting discoveries waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Let's keep the conversation going.